In this beautiful morning,
Awa.
wherever
Right.
you are, boarding the bus maybe to go to work or to go to school, since this is day 2
Oily.
of second term
Iya.
of education for our children.
Doon mo benak.
Right,
Doon mo
but
benak.
in Manaka,
Yeah.
it might be hard waking up in the morning because
Ah.
we are experiencing coldness.
Iya.
Right.
Right.
We want to say good morning to
Hey.
Bentari.
Uy.
See, people are calling. I can hear the voice of the radio coming out from some vehicle or bus
Oh,
now.
okay.
Yeah. We say good morning to everybody joining this morning, even though it's a very, very windy outside. The air and the guava is shaking
Yeah.
all
Right.
over the body, coming down to the soil. Dana buni pachi to kango
Yeah.
kana wani pa ini pa sama.
Yeah.
Happiness.
Waswat
Right.
kete.
Iya,
Right.
basa sama tiga ko.
Uy, nabachi-bachi?
Bachi-bachi, go rin ako.
Uy, which one is the bachi-bachi?
The bachi-bachi is abroad one, most especially in the sonangon and the tunakali nanondarokan ni Isulu.
Iyo.
Lai baka may kesa-kesa gitu kina, that's a bachi-bachi.
Oy, baka to ng Ronialu.
Iya,
This one?
iya.
Oh,
Apa
okay.
talaga way ni tontok ni tidak ngone.
Go, hunu ba?
Right.
Uno ba me? Eh, naman ka bro, Isaac Kawetana, he's going to Ovalau this morning.
Right.
Oy.
He's going to Tabia.
Yeah.
Yesterday night we was there. And he was preparing to he will go back faster.
Yeah.
So that he can accumulate.
Yeah.
Right.
Malaki baru take over na kanila ko there's two symmetry in the home.
Okay, one of so gonna be talade. So gonna be sugangel. Okay, this morning we will talk about tutubi.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
The different types of tutubi dams.
Right.
How many types of tutubi are there?
There are so many type of tutubi.
Right.
One is a tiger.
Right.
Eh?
Tiger
Very
balm.
thick.
Tiger balm na witch. Yeah. The tiger called tutubi tiger because we name it that tutubi tiger because mostly the tiger picture is there.
Right. Yes.
So we name it tutubi tiger.
Right.
Yes.
We got another one is tutubi solo.
Yeah.
Tutubi solo is not
common one,
like that's not like the tutubi tiger.
Yeah.
Right.
This one the cotton.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a dashboard. Kanimoto ka kung na yung dinimoto ka. Yung mga robu wale bata they are same from the same family.
Oh, same
Right.
family. They are relatives.
Yeah, they are relatives
Right.
in cousin.
Okay, another one. There's a second one. Another one?
The,
Do we have another one?
Yeah, we have another one.
Okay, mine.
We got the city.
Yeah, the city. No, the city is not the blanket.
Saya to may blanket ni sa mga takitik.
Just because you are using it as a blanket, it
Yes.
doesn't mean that it is a blanket.
Because a question is asking me.
The function.
I name it as a blanket for me because we use it.
The function of the city
Yeah.
is to cover the bed sheet. It's a bed sheet to cover the bed.
Who inside the bed? Who's in the bed? You cover yourself with the bed.
No,
Because the bed is
you
you.
cover yourself with the bed, man.
Yeah.
Another one is there. Another one
Yeah.
is a comforter.
Right.
Comforter
Right.
mostly we put it down. Now he is a timekeeper. Okay, so tama tu nanganganri.
Right.
Yeah.
Every time we are cold.
Right.
So you cover yourself. You and your wife or husband. You
Right.
and your children.
Right.
You and your loved ones.
Right.
You
Yeah.
and your brother.
Yeah.
You or your cousin.
Right.
So that we can feel the momentum of life in this kind of weather.
One
Right.
now.
True. Right.
One now. Okay. Any other blanket you can
Yes.
name, Mai?
I remember on the ngona ketolinging gitu na muy lambasa.
Yeah.
One of now is in New Zealand.
Right.
Emori rangatika. Emen and rebinaka kaya ka baro tu men matani kuwa. Wata kay master sakare sema tu ngoy bundi siya mekandau.
Yeah.
We sort of
Blanket each other.
Blanket each other. So from there go kona kanibagaro ni imbinikana.
Yeah.
So we cover ourselves there in the then we go to the blanket in time of
Okay.
emergency. See?
All right. Right.
Doon mo tutubi nga ano yung binikan?
Imbinikana. Bisa sih mana itu tuh bisa ada abang karena kata-kata.
Okay. I think you missed two more.
Ha.
One is the mat.
Right.
Mas ita kuno.
Yeah.
That's the warmest one.
That one.
Yes.
Kaya sa ambu kata-kata sana.
Iya.
The mat.
The mat.
Yeah.
The med is good.
Have you ever used the med in your childhood days? In the village?
No, I don't use the med.
Oh,
I
okay.
use the mosquito net.
Soon and very soon.
Oh, mosquito net.
Mosquito net. Nyo tutubi tu na mosquito net adi, di na nilanga-langa. Even though the pothole is there,
Iyo.
inside the mosquito net. When you sleep there, you feel aire. Dota ni na feeling Tariko.
Iya.
If you want to comfort her,
Iya.
mo comfort na ngom, you can be comfort. Kaya baka kumina kata mo obi, ko
Yeah.
ni obi. Nrakita mo nga, it can be a special occasion.
Dalaka-
Kambure.
Okay, dara ka already ko biko.
Natapa.
Wakame the function ni bi ayatuto ko sa
Viso
tiko.
taka?
You are changing them. Na
Na inaki,
na city na inaki.
Iya.
You are changing the function of each of
That's
the.
why we call it a multi-skills.
It is not for multi skills.
Di boleh ko na longa, lain
Iya.
tal rukun longa.
Right.
You buy something that can cater
You
to
are
function.
very-
See, if you buy one thing, you cater for two function.
Very endangered
So that you can
species.
don't
Yeah.
lose money from there. See?
Go, save
if
money.
You buy, save
Same
money.
cost, yeah.
Same cost.
Yeah.
If you buy one program and one function,
Yeah.
this one for one function, one function, one function, one function,
Yeah.
what will happen? The house will full.
Kau sa nga dorot kayo, dorot kayo, dorot
Iya,
kayo, dorot kayo.
The house will full. Nobody will sleep.
Okay.
Everybody gonna stand.
Okay, na yo, ano sa silbi talono ay nabuko ni tutubingo.
Right.
Na kaya no talono ko ay si kobi no na itaw pata kina uchira ni sa sudu, pata kina sa soli ari biro pata vitable ni tutubi mero sa modikina.
Street to Philomena Children's Home. Kaya mo din ko ay matak. Sabi na siya. Carnival. There was a man.
Yeah.
A man was walking alone in the street.
Right.
Right.
He met his cousin on the street.
Right.
He was going to the hospital to review.
Yeah.
Right.
He later then he saw his wife
Yeah.
was there in the hospital.
Maternity.
Yeah.
He was in the maternity wearing big clothes.
Yeah.
And he asked his brother cousin, how come this one with big clothes?
Right. Yeah.
We were
somebody?
separated,
Yeah.
but we never ending.
Yeah.
Right.
Kero sa tasira tu, kero sin beribimbiu.
Right.
So, I don't know. So, from there,
How is it possible?
how is it possible? Kalau makaturang ko naturungan ni Asia, ya?
Yeah. How come?
How come?
Are, daw li kami kaya tiga tu kira daw naturang balo, ah? Iya. Daw naturang balo, ah?
Hey.
Daw naturang andang munda mo naturang ni China.
Silly.
Tia every time. Oh, nawati natoka.
Yeah.
Tia daw lakukan ni okete ka. Sometimes because he's a businessman, he's a farmer.
Yeah, because he's right. And most of the time the wife is just at home.
Yeah,
And,
not just home. They're
right.
one going to the market selling
Right.
business,
Right.
like coffee,
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, money.
Money.
Right. Market, eh?
Yeah, market and everything.
Yeah.
Lebungan ngau nantong bindo dito mo na mere dito na sipi na kakek.
Right. Kaya mo tagi carrot.
Iya. Iyo, kete kan daw pastel tungani ka.
Right.
Turang ambalo, eh? When after
hours.
well, from there,
Right.
tahu kita orang malam. Saku neo buli marama.
Yeah.
Hey, kuneo ti sa boleh sa.
And he was happy.
He was very happy.
Very happy.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mr. Lee,
Yeah.
how come?
Yeah.
Me happy.
Yeah.
Happy,
Right.
happy. Ka.
Yeah.
Small Lee coming.
Small Lee coming.
Right.
Yeah.
We here, hospital me.
Yeah.
Ala ka no ko ya. Ala ka ni bolimbu la salire ni bolimbu. Sarita na mo siya nangonin ko pakasalolo.
Sasa Lee.
Tasi ni mo. Ari do ko nangonin ko sambalo. Nangonin baby. Sana numoko ya. Okay, eu no
Lagi complain.
Sa complain. Me complain mesin complain wala maka binakatona iso. Vale levu, alo ri levu. Paso kede nga, may nasa narorua.
Yeah, Richard's card.
Ka Richard, ni kira ko na malu, silibi ko na sa mabundo. Ni buli-bulin don rando, silibi ko pisaw.
Yeah, tira sa.
Kede.
Yeah.
Sama tu ya o Mr. Lee.
Yeah.
Kilo ko ya sa barong ko na bimbiu.
Yeah.
He wants something to take it back. Kaya baka nalusi na kisi.
Yeah.
O kuya, nasintaw ka nandun na kanakake sa nang olivero na bitsinan.
Iya.
Yeah.
Agad na numo kami sa kote kinamatabeloy. He take it to court.
Yeah.
Salaga na matabeloy. Salay ito kuni. Okay, sa hoti kede, sa ito kunoloyan kakede.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Lee, you wanna say something?
Yeah.
You wanna say something? To the sarga Mr. Lee. Ha! Me walk. Me walk 4 a.m. morning.
Work very hard.
Me walk very hard. Need food? Food me. Bibi nakata nakakala.
Wife me, food me.
Wife want to eat me.
Tuna ka ya. Nangone biya kana kina na wanting ko. Sino mo nakakala? My wife want to drink. Drink. Me walk. Coming.
Yeah.
Home.
Yeah.
Me no.
Yeah.
Baby, come.
Take it slowly, Mr. Lee. Take it slowly.
No. Take it slowly.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Go to hospital.
Yeah.
Me every time.
Yeah.
Coming back.
Yeah.
No Junior Lee.
No Lee.
Yeah.
Here Lee. Me come.
Yeah.
Me come.
Yeah.
Mommy no come.
Yeah. Baby come.
Baby come.
Yeah.
How come?
How come? Black. How come? Ulo pa, sala ko may ulo ko may. So nga una ya lito nana. Iya ulo style. So nga ulo ko mo nana ya lito yaw. Iyong ko sala ko may sa tunggo sa ramirida ng ngone.
Yeah.
Me come.
Yeah.
No come.
Yeah.
I see the baby.
Yeah.
How come?
Ya na isang ko ni kada ni talong ko bikim no kada tiko nga ene tutubi.
Right.
Tutubi pa ko binasare nan rakibisaw. Edo doon magatiwa
Ito
na
sa
ngono ko.
tutubi binaka nga nalako
Yeah.
pa binaka na rock.
Kaya ka tutubi nga binaka. O nakata-kata binaka. Kaya ka mata-mata tsunga.
Yeah.
How come?
Asik lang po, Lee.
Sama tinambiri don anda binak.
Yan binaka
Beni
beti turanga titilia yan binaka emisolera.
Titilian rua. Saya mau nempanu be.
Iya.
Like kata kasih tak nonton live kita usaha tahu